We've been helping companies hire CAD specialists for well over a decade. Whether you're looking for your next full-time superstar designer, need to fill a resource gap with a contractor, or just need a freelancer for a few hours, we've got you covered. As a company run by engineers for engineers, we're uniquely placed to find you the right candidates with the right skills. CAD professionals come to us because we're so specialist, and our network is vast and it's always growing.
Recruiting new permanent staff is never easy and often very time consuming. Making the wrong hire can be costly in many ways. We work closely with you to fully understand the business, the role and the type of designer you're looking for. We don't just rely on candidates coming to us, we go out and find candidates for you. Only when we find that they're a great match for the business, we'll introduce them to you. If you're looking to start your career in CAD and are keen to move up the career ladder, then it makes sense to partner with a recruitment agency that really understands the industry. We'll take the time to really understand what your next ideal job looks like. Once you're matched up, we'll support you in CV advice, interview prep, your notice and also the onboarding.